What was the impact of the Irish Civil War on Ireland? What was the impact of the Irish Civil War on Ireland? This conflict, which took place from 1922 to 1923, left a lasting mark on the nation. It stemmed from disagreements over the Anglo-Irish Treaty. This treaty created the Irish Free State but kept Northern Ireland as part of the United Kingdom. This division led to two main groups: the pro-treaty forces who supported the new government and the anti-treaty Republicans who wanted full independence. The pro-treaty side emerged victorious, establishing the Irish Free State as a self-governing dominion. However, this victory came with a heavy price. There were created deep political and social divisions that influenced Irish politics for many years. It also led to the formation of new political parties and ongoing tensions among former allies. The conflict resulted in around 4,000 casualties. The fighting shifted from traditional battles to guerrilla warfare. The violence and executions left emotional scars on communities and families. Friends and allies found themselves on opposing sides, which complicated the quest for unity. The war also delayed the full realization of an independent Irish republic. The Free State's constitution initially maintained ties to the British Crown until a new constitution in 1937 declared Ireland a republic. Culturally, the music of the era reflected the emotions and struggles of the time. Songs and ballads from the Civil War period often expressed themes of loss, loyalty, and the fight for Irish identity. For visitors to Ireland today, engaging with this musical heritage provides a glimpse into how the conflict shaped both politics and cultural memory. Traditional music sessions in pubs and cultural centers often feature pieces from this era, connecting people to the emotional experiences of those years. Traveling in Ireland offers opportunities to understand the impact of the Civil War. Historical sites like Dublin's Four Courts, where the conflict began, and Cork, where Michael Collins was assassinated, hold significant meaning. Museums and memorials provide context about the divisions and sacrifices of that time. This history is essential for grasping the development of modern Ireland, its political boundaries, and its cultural expressions. The Irish Civil War had a profound impact on Ireland, creating political divisions, causing significant loss of life, and influencing cultural expressions like music. Engaging with this history through sites and cultural experiences offers a meaningful connection to Ireland's journey toward independence and national identity.